Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos like a pro in Kapwing. If you want clean, engaging, and professional looking videos without heavy software, Kapwing is a powerful browser-based editor that gets the job done, and it's especially popular for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram content. So first, you need to open any of the browser. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here, make sure to log into your account, and you can simply create a new by uploading from a library, or you can also go to this draft here, as I'm going to select this draft, and make sure all the files are organized before editing. Over here, what you can do is you can also trim or cut out the pauses, mistakes. Over here, you can go to the edges of the clip and simply turn it onto this right side to trim it, and fast cuts, better engagement. You can also add the music. In the left hand side, you can go to this audio. You can upload your own music, or you can also browse through the music from Kapwing here by simply clicking onto this, and it will automatically add into this timeline. You can also add the subtitle. In the left hand side, we can find the subtitle here, and you can select this auto subtitle, and you can generate the auto and select the original language and select this auto subtitle. And you can also add the text. In the left hand side, you can add titles, headings, or callouts, and that is it. And after you're done with the editing, you can select this export project in the top right, and that is it. It will automatically save a video in your library. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.